Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my official YouTube channel. In this video you can learn about how to place online bet and you can know also about how to use your ID with some options, and also about deposits and withdrawals. All you have to do is first enter your username and password through Chrome and enter login. When you get into this link, you will see the many options below, and you can see the many sports there: football, tennis, cricket, ice hockey, volleyball, basketball, table tennis, darts, badminton, kabaddi, boxing, mixed martial arts, and motorsports. And you can also see the many live casinos which are present here. Then here the four options will be there: in play, sports, casino plus slots, and other sports. In play you can see this home page. Here you have many options. In these options, home, this is the home page, and next one is of account statement. This account statement contains of your bet history, and next one is of profit and loss report. In this profit or loss report you can see about plus or minus of that particular bet. And next is of bet history. Here you can see the previous bet history along with sports like football, tennis, and cricket, and also with of bet status matched or deleted. Next one is of the unsettled bet. Unsettled bet is the bet which is not yet settled. Next one is of casino report history. In this you can see the, if you play casino, you can see about the casino history, about selecting the particular casino like one day teen patti, test teen patti, or 2020 teen patti. You can see many options here. By selecting this you can see about the casino result. Next one is of set button values. In this you can set your button values. And next one is of security auth verification, you can get verified here. And next one is of change password. Here you can change your password by entering the current password and then enter the new password and get confirmed your new password. Then you will get to password reset. Then you will know about balance of your ID and exposure limit. Exposure is of ID's limit. Next one is of rules. Here particular rules for the particular sports will be here. You can see this. Next one is of logout. You can log out and you can log in through the other ID. This is about how to use your ID. For more information or DL or MDL, please contact the below WhatsApp number which will be mentioned in the description. And please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you for watching.